Hello and welcome to another video. Dusty here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make sure that you can disable or stop apps from opening or starting up automatically when you log in to Windows 10. There's nothing more annoying than having all of these apps opening without you wanting them to. So in order to disable these apps from opening at startup, what you need to do is go ahead and hold down Control and Alt and then go ahead and click the delete button on your keyboard. Then you'll see this here that opens up where it says lock, switch user, sign out. Go to Task Manager like I have here. I'm going to go ahead and make this bigger just for you to easily see what's going on. The first one here is going to be processes. The one that we want to look at is startup. The Startup tab is the fourth from the left, and then over here on the left-hand side, you'll see the name of the application, and then under Status, this is where you need to look. Now, I will encourage you, make sure that you don't disable something that you need for your job or what you're doing for a hobby or whatever it may be, but if something here under Status says Enabled, then that means that it's going to open up automatically every time you log in and start up Windows 10. So every time you restart, every time you turn your computer or PC on, that application will open up automatically. If it says disabled, that means that it will not open automatically, but you can change this and toggle this from enabled to disabled if that's something that you want to do. So in order to stop something from opening up at startup, you right click on it, and then you can see here, I can just click on disable, and that is now disabled. If you want to enable it and you want it to come up as you turn your computer on, right click, go to enable, and that will allow that application to open up automatically upon startup. Think of it as a browser tab, in Chrome or Internet Explorer or Firefox. You can have tabs that open up automatically when you open up a new browser, box or window or whatever you want to call it. This is the same thing with your computer. I will encourage you to disable as many of these as possible. If you are dealing with slowdowns on your computer, if your computer's getting rather old, this may be a case where one of these applications are slowing it down. Again, unless you just need something to open up automatically or it makes your workflow easier, I would disable as much of this as possible. And if you see here where it says startup impact, this will tell you basically the degree of impact from, say, the amount of pressure or haul that it's putting on your CPU or GPU, right? So again, this one's high, this one's medium, this one's low. You can kind of you discern what you want to start up from this tab over here. Hopefully this helped you out. If it did, go ahead and hit that like button down below. Share this video with your friends and family. And as always, guys, thank you so much for watching my videos, and I will see you guys in the next one.